world where it's okay to be ordinary comes a time for you to become more. To stand out from others, to work hard and unlock your full potential and become something extraordinary. A champion. Compete with the best to win incredible prizes, thousands of dollars, and the ultimate title, Adobe Certified Professional World Champion. All competitors must certify, so study hard to earn a top score. Win your national championship and then compete to be the next Adobe Certified Professional World Champion. Certify, create, compete.